6. 2 local employers have reported workplace outbreaks of coronavirus in Medford. Thanks for joining us. I'm Brian Morton. This is the story we have been tracking over the past few days. Today, Newswatch 12's ALICIA RUBIN spoke with those 2 employers and Jackson County Public Health about the next steps.
Harry and David and Timber Products in Medford are both facing outbreaks. On Newswatch 12 at 5, I broke down the cases that OSHA reported to have stemmed from Timber Products in Medford. When I spoke with Timber Products today, they say that 3 of the 6 cases that were reported were employees. However, Timber Products also said they haven't had an employee test positive for COVID-19 since late April. Harry and David is dealing with an entirely separate situation where recently 5 employees were all testing positive for COVID-19 all at once. 3 of the 5 positive cases are employees that work within the specialty foods area of the Harry and David campus. The other 2 cases were people who had close contact with employees. Right now, employees who have tested positive are under quarantine at home. Dr. Jim Shames with Jackson County Public Health says that they will remain in quarantine until they are symptom-free for at least 3 days. Those who have had close contact with those employees have been asked to quarantine for 2 weeks. Other employees that work in the same area but did not have close contact with people who tested positive will stay home until their test results are received or at least until the end of the week.
We're buying ourselves enough time to have them away from a congregate setting in the workplace. They've been informed. Once we get the test back, we can sort of figure out what our strategy will be.
The response of public health depends on how many of those tests come back positive.
At the moment, we're not seeing any glaring exposures. And so we're going to sort of follow our usual guidelines, plus just try and test everybody, the vast majority of whom have no symptoms, presumably, just so we can get a handle on where we're at right now.
Harry and David says that they have been following procedures set forth by the state, and they will continue to follow those to ensure their employees' safety. I also reached out to OSHA, who said that they have received complaints from Master Brand and Grants Pass, Timber Products, and Harry and David. In the past 30 minutes, we've also learned that OSHA has fined Master Brand $630. We're going to continue to dig into this developing story, and we'll be updating you with any new information. Reporting live from home, ALICIA RUBIN, Newswatch 12.